Well, hello there, poopsies. Ah, flopsome, jumsome. Alright, thank you guys for clicking on today's video. As you can tell by the title and my face, we are turning into Ursula, but make it wearable, to be honest. Like, I'd wear this to the store. Ursula knew what was up. She had a cut crease, a red lip, white hair. She was way ahead of her time. Anyway, if you want to learn how to do this look, stay tuned. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get into Ursula. So for foundation, I'm just mixing my normal foundation with a teeny bit of red, blue, and white body paint to give it a purpley hue and to make it whiter. I just wanted the same, but make it purple as my base. Now I'm going into the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I'm using the lilac shade, and that is going to be my bronzer today. So just apply how you would apply bronzer. Your cheeks, your jaw, your temples, and around your chin and nose. If you could be a Disney villain, who would you be? Because I'm 100% Ursula. Like 100% Ursula. Now going into black body paint, I'm going to be painting on her spooky eyebrows. I was trying to do the black body paint today rather than the eyeliner, and honestly, I think I like the eyeliner a lot better. You just have a little bit more control, and it's not as messy. The black body paint got pretty darn messy. Another question, if you sold your soul, what would you sell it for? A Klondike bar? Me, probably a Klondike bar, let's be honest. Now going into the Remember Me palette, I'm using the darkest shade of purple and really cutting out all of that definition. And I wanted to have like her big full cheeks, so I smiled and then kind of contoured around the apples of my cheeks. Because she has luxurious cheeks. Now I'm cutting out around my nose and applying it to my eyebrows in the middle just to kind of make it look a little meaner, a little more mean. Now I am just carving out around my mouth and my chin. Now I'm taking a bigger brush and blending everything into everything. Just blending. I'm taking the Noir from the Remember Me palette and putting that on my crease, and I'm gonna blend that out with the dark purple. Then I'm just gonna clean up under my eyes with the residual foundation. And now just blend a little bit more. You know how much I love to blend, yo. All right, taking the tealy aqua shade, I'm gonna be putting that all over my lid and really trying to build it up. That's why I'm using my finger. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna be using I think it's the Jawbreaker shade in the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and highlighting around my face with that. And, you know, dragging the black from my eyebrows up onto my forehead. Then I kind of realized that I wanted my eyes to pop a lot more, so I'm using the blue shade from the Jawbreaker palette to enhance the blue on my eyeballs. I really had to pack a ton of this on to get the effect I wanted. Now I'm taking that blue and lining around the bottom of my eyes, and then really smoothing out the top. Ooh. Now taking the More to Love mascara, I am putting mascara on my eyelashes. I love to wipe off my mouth first, so I'm using my C'est La Vie makeup wipe to get all of the makeup off my mouth. Then I'm going to go in with my Hollywood & Vine lip liner to carve out the lip and shape that I wanted. I wanted a little bit of a smile on this. Then I'm using the red body paint as my lipstick. If you're not like eating or drinking or doing anything, this is the best lipstick. It's such a great red and it goes on like a dream. It's not wearable though, like forewarning. You can't really like do life with this. Then my husband told me he didn't like my lips, that I should outline them and shade them. So, divorce. I'm doing a winged eyeliner, a pretty, like a medium dramatic, like on the scale of 1 being like no wing and like 10 being Trixie Mattel. This is like a 3. So just like a medium awesome wing. Then I decided to listen to my husband and try to outline the lips a little bit, kind of get them where I wanted them. So I'm using the black eyeliner to define my lips a little bit. Ursula has a pretty big, like, mouth, Cupid's bow, so I decided to make it a little bit more defined. And then I decided that I looked like the Joker met crazy, so I took the smiles off with the makeup wipe and just added that foundation back and then just outlined normal lips. Now I'm taking that black and I am adding a little bit to her crease. Her, me, mine, I am her. I'm adding a little bit to my crease and then I'm going to blend that out with the blue body paint. All right, poopsies, that's how you become Ursula. Ooh. I super would wear this as my Halloween costume. In fact, I did a couple years ago, but it wasn't this good. So, progress! Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you don't already, please follow us on all of our socials listed below. The products we use is the Remember Me, Jeffree Star's Jawbreaker, this amazing face paint palette, and the IOU eyeliner. Basic bitch. I'm just kidding. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. Tell me what you're gonna be for Halloween in the comments below. Bye!
Perfect.